I grew up in Southern Europe, Portugal. My memories about it are of long beaches and the salty water from the ocean, the strong waves and the smooth, warm wind of the summer nights. When I went to study in the north of the country, it was a bit colder. The ocean was stronger and the waves bigger. I liked it as well, even if sometimes it was too rainy. In the north, we have more green. The south is drier. Anyway, the coast is what everybody has in common there. It's said that our climate is temperate. Basically, this means that it's never too cold nor too hot. I guess it's kind of true, even if sometimes I don't like so much the temperature, especially the cold. I guess people just get used to their places, and when things change, everybody makes a huge fuss about it. Maybe it's the way things are supposed to be, always changing. I wanted to experience a place where the temperatures were extreme, like the desert, so I decided to go to Morocco. It's unbelievable hot that day. I could dehydrate from walking without water. And at night, so cold, the water would freeze inside the plastic bottles. When I came to Germany, what I'm most scared was of course the cold. I thought I wouldn't last long here, and I would run back home in the winter. But then January came, and it was still sunny. Not warm for sure, but the sun still shined. We even went for a swim one day. It was awful. I mean, the summer was okay, a few weeks of sun. The lakes here are very nice. Now the snow is here, finally. I thought I would have a snowy Christmas, but it didn't happen. I was thinking of the Christmas snow fights. I guess this period makes us think more about it. Last winter I've heard it was the darkest one in 60 years. No sun at all since the end of the year. It was so long that it made the summer come late. And then people started saying that because of that, the next winter would come later. And it actually did. I mean, it is. I kind of miss my country sometimes. I was thinking coming back in the summer. My question is, are the seasons all late now? Because if so, maybe I'll miss the summer when I go home in the summertime.